Happy Saturday. I'm here for Rainy Day Riches. Can you make me a rainy day inspired drink?
All right, for sure. I'll get right on that. All right, so for your rainy festive drink, I made you a vanilla blueberry frap and dropped the shots of coffee over the top so it would drizzle down through. Good luck today, and I hope you win big.
Grab your raincoat and prepare to be showered in cash this April during Rainy Day Riches. Flood your Saturday nights with fun and play for a chance to win $15,000 in cash.